are now here in front of the White House. I finally made it into DC. So, can't wait to get a first look at this here. It's been a very long time since being here and seeing this. There we are. Welcome to the Washington Monument. We've arrived at the World War II Memorial. Walking down into the memorial now. The memorial from the World War II Memorial. Made it now to the Lincoln Memorial. A lot of it is under construction. But the view from here all the way through to the Capitol is amazing. In front of, near the U.S. Capitol building. Here in Space Museum. We're going to
It's a bigger bathroom than normal.
Yeah. This is such a cool looking plane, isn't it? Just to give you a sense of how big it is.
Above here is the scale of the planets and their moons.
Oh no, they went just.
And here around the corner, hanging upside down from the ceiling, is the family highlight of the exhibit. Sean Tucker, Oracle sponsored sky plane, acrobatic plane. This is the way it was flown a lot of the time. And here is another view.